YouTube. We're back here again with another nerd report, and I'm bringing you some. I think this is some good news. I'm a Google One holder, and I get it through my T-Mobile account. But I got the 2 terabyte plan for me, and at the time, the only way that you can get Google's VPN service, if you don't know that Google offers a VPN, but Google offers one through their 2 terabyte plan, so you can lock down your phones when you're on other people's Wi-Fi. You don't want nobody to snoop on your phone. But now they're offering this on all of their Google One plans, and you get VPN access on all the Google One plans all the way to the bottom of the barrel, which is very good. I'm glad to see that they are doing something to secure people's phones. Now, a word of warning: Google's VPN is not the same type of VPN that you would get from like a PIA access or a Nord VPN or those. So those type of VPNs, you get a chance to pick and choose what server you want to connect to. So on the Google VPN, it's just a straight VPN from your phone to the Google server, whatever server is closest to you, and then it goes out over the web. So you have no control over which server you connect to, only that wherever you are to the Google server, do you have a secure connection. So for me, I don't really do a lot of video watching or anything from other countries or anything. So for me, the Google One plan with the VPN access is very good, due to the fact that if I don't want my personal information to be over like hotel Wi-Fi, or a friend's even Wi-Fi, let's say that I'm over at somebody's strange you know apartment or something, and I'm on their Wi-Fi and they're snooping. I don't know. You never know. But you could flick on the Google VPN, and you know that you're secure from your phone to the Google server. Um, if you're interested, I mean, I'll leave the link in the description and try it out. Take a look. Me personally, I think this is a good plan. You back up your data. You got your data backup on your phone, on your laptop, and then you add the fact that you get VPN service on your. I know it's right now it's on your phone. I know they're supposed to be talking about opening it up to laptop access and desktop access soon. So look on. I'll report back again if that happens. But right now, it's just for your cell phone currently right now. Um, like, share, and subscribe this video. Feel free to comment below and tell me what you think. I think that Google's VPN service is a whole lot better than a lot of other people. Plus, you know they do protect my data very well, so I think that it would do good for a lot of other people. But thank y'all for watching, and y'all have a good one.